Well, yeah. Here it goes. I don't have anything to say. I think I used my, I used everything up on the grass stuff, so I'm just gonna continue to playing the songs now. I'm running low on serotonin, chemical imbalance got me twisting things, stabilized with medicine. There's no depth to these feelings, dig deep, I can't hide from the corners of my mind. I'm terrified of what's inside. I get intrusive thoughts like cutting my hands off, like jumping in front of a bus, like how do I make this stop when it feels like my therapist saves me. Please don't let me go crazy, put me in a field with daisies. Might not work, but I'll take a maybe. Been breaking daily, but only me can save me. So I'm capitulating, crying like a fucking baby. I dump but I let the dedo, I dump I let the dedo, I dump I let the data, data, dump a lot of dedo. I'm running low on serotonin, chemical imbalance got me twisting things, stabilized with medicine. There's no depth to these feelings, dig deep, we can't hide from the corners of my mind. I'm terrified of what's inside. I get intrusive thoughts like burning my hair off, like hurting somebody I love, like does it ever really stop? When there's control I lose it, incredibly impulsive, so scared I'm gonna end up doing something stupid, but I try to contain it. Oh, it gets so draining, it's like my heart is failing. Every night I'm contemplating, my inner voice is saying tough. I try to brush it off, I try to brush it off, yeah. I'm running low on serotonin, chemical imbalance got me twisting things, stabilized with medicine. There's no depth to these feelings, dig deep, can't hide from the corners of my mind. I'm terrified of what's inside.
Kan man känna i hjärtat att man får blodpropp? Men först som gör att hjärtat blir slutar slå, och som att det blir som att det blir ett sånt tom och i kroppen.